little workout. Yeah, it's kind of dark, but I didn't want to turn on the light. Did a little walk, brisk walk, about 11-degree incline, about a 3.0 pace. Did about a mile. Did a little quick leg workout before that, but didn't want to go too heavy. Have you ever like coughed real loud and then you feel like a muscle pull or whatever? That's what happened earlier. I like coughed real loud and I felt something a little odd, a little funny in my stomach, but it's not too painful. It's a little weird, but I'm just let it rest, see how I feel tomorrow. It wasn't like a muscle pull. It wasn't like a pop, but it was kind of hard to explain. Like a little, like a little sting, but not that bad. Like a little one, but we'll see. But anyway, it was kind of late, you know. But how to get it in. I'll talk to you guys later.